One quote: we can relate with India in this 21st century. The complete world is working hard to be more advanced, modern, and forward. But in India, people are ready to die, to be backward because of the benefit of caste based reservation. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is reservation system in India. Friends, in India, reservation is based on caste. In simple word, reservation facilitate the access to get seat in government job, government educational institution, and even the legislature to some certain section of the population. And these sections have faced the historical injustice due to its identity of caste. If we see the history, in 1882, the William Hunter and Jyotiba Phule firstly conceived the idea of caste-based reservation system. Post-independence, firstly SC and STs got the benefit of reservation, and later on in 1991, OBC got reservation. And recently, the 103 Amendment Act of Indian Constitution 2019 gave 10% of reservation to economically backward classes. Now let's talk what are the advantages of reservation system in India. First, equally representation. Friends, it has shown that reservation give all the backward community and gave access to equal represent in decision making things in Indian system. Also, if you can see example of president, now he sees from the tribal community. Second, implementation of justice and human rights. Due to reservation, people are encouraging to fight against the violation of human rights. Third, economic balance in the society. Reservation has slowed down the process to forward becoming more richer and backward becoming more poor. Fourth is historical injustice. In history, the backward people have faced many discrimination, mistreatment, and social injustice, and due to this, reservation was created for all of them. Now let's talk what are the disadvantages of reservation system in India. First, encouraging casteism. Reservation increase the casteism basis discrimination. People are fighting for their caste now, and it is not eliminating the problem of caste system. Second, there are many chances to creating more caste, because if any poor people from forward have no social status, then they can tell to government to make separate caste of the poor people of forward classes. Third, short-term relief. Reservation provides short-term and limited solution for the historical injustice that they have faced. Fourth, opposing meritocracy. Reservation is degrading the quality of a student and employees in the different institution, where undeserving candidates are getting chance and deserving candidates do not. Biggest example is JEE Mains examination and NEET, where cutoff varies, and many other competitive exams where cutoff varies due to reservation. Friends, in my conclusion, in India, it has said that every people are equal, and here it is the right to equality. But even after the 75 years of independence, there is caste-based reservation system exists. And a survey found that Indians have much more talent, but due to the reservation, people are not getting actual position, and most of them are leaving India and going to foreign country, and they happily welcome their talent. So it shows the clear-cut failure of the government, who have not provided and uplift the lower communities. So government need to find out the alternative way to provide all poor classes the benefits of the Indian schemes by reservation, and all the communities of India can be the part of the nation building, and all can be united always. Thank you.